So here's the thing, guys. Just as forecasters predicted, temperatures were not the only thing falling with a cold front on Wednesday in South Florida, along with a front that plunged temperature
Why are you laughing?
into the 30s and 40s across the state. The National Weather Service also warned South Floridians to look out for falling iguanas. Yes, I said it, falling iguanas. Now, iguanas are cold-blooded, so what happens is they slow down and they become a little immobile when temperatures drop into the 40s. Somebody said, NWS said in a tweet, they may fall from trees, but they're not dead. Okay? The iguanas will typically perk back up once the temperature rises again, noted officials. 7 news cameras captured a large dormant iguana on a sidewalk along 106 Terrace and Johnson Street in Pembroke Pines on Wednesday morning. Now, Thomas Portualo, who is the owner of Iguana Control Inc., said his company has received a lot of calls from people calling about the cold-blooded reptiles. He said this is very rare what happened the past week, meaning the temperatures falling somewhere around the 30s. Then, of course, we're getting a lot of calls from both our clients saying, so many fell out of my tree, come get them, please. Or people just saying, trying to remove them. So, Craigie, the cold front iguanas, what would you do if one iguana dropped on your head, sir?
On my head?
Well, you know, because they're falling out the trees. They're just dropping.
Well, obviously it would have frightened me still, but like, I mean, I'm not really afraid of lizards though. But I see my mother climb on top of the back of a couch because of a poly lizard, you know.
Me just I tell you.
So if an iguana drop out of a tree, I don't know what she'll do.
You see, generally, I don't run in. I'm not a running kind of person. I believe said nothing is worth running for. Make one of them iguana drop on me and watch me take flight.
Them a little bit, you know. That's a big song. That's how we couldn't do it.
But think that the iguana would have dropped, and would have dropped next to it. Would have dropped on me, and I'm faint. No, I'm not here for that. Not here for that.
Until it warm up, you just wake up back with the iguana. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about Jamaica's baby.
Ooh, who is Jamaica's baby?
Usain Bolt is now going to be a daddy. On Thursday morning, the retired Olympian revealed that he and his longtime girlfriend, Casey Bennett, are expecting their first child together.
Wow.
Bolt, who's 33, announced the news with a breathtaking photo of Bennett on the beach, donned in a billowing red dress that showed off her pregnant belly. The caption was, "I just want to say king or queen is about to be here." He captured a stunning photograph, and this was taken by Lexon Photography. Bennett also shared the news on her own social media, sharing a series of 3 posts with additional photos from her red dress maternity shoot. Each photo was consecutively captioned, "Our biggest blessing, our greatest celebration, and finally, our golden child coming soon."
Wow.
Mad!
Wow.
That's a beautiful picture.
She looks very nice. She looks gorgeous.
Congratulations to Usain Bolt and congratulations to Casey.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's
nice.
It's
Cool.
And everybody at home, if you're not announcing your baby like that, then you're not going with nothing. I just say, if you're not in a red dress on the beach, then nothing not going for you.
And you can
just
imagine
say.
if all that baby they grow up and say, you know, so I don't like sports.
Can you imagine?
What you da do?
Would I beat him? Because here's the thing, Mr. Bolt, Miss Casey, we are all here in 14 years. We're expecting another legend. So if them not going with nothing, you try to put them in a sports early because we have high expectations for this baby. Just saying.
Well, I can say, them say they must name him Lightning.
I like it.
That's kind of cool still. But one thing is for sure,
What?
whatever this child decides to do, he will be great.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because he'll be wealthy, so he'll be great. Either way. Hey, just say healthy,
all right.
wealthy
so
and wise.
we're still talking about Usain Bolt. The Sprint King has teamed up with Full Extreme, Champs Ultimate Rejects for a remix track titled Energy to Burn.
Hey.
Bolt shared a compilation video of himself and the Rejects working on it. In the booth, he captioned the video from Jamaica to Trinidad. Bad soca tune. Like we hear the song?
Like we hear it.
I'm back. Never know. Soca would say, are you fear boat? Jamaica to Trinidad. Are you ready? People, when I say do jump up, I want you to jump up. Everybody bounce up, everybody bounce up. Y'all right.
love that. I 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 love that.
Hey.
Easy, baby. I see you. Come on, I see you.
I am here for that. That's a tune.
Yo, music
That's
is an extension of your expression. You know, it's fun and they might enjoy themselves. And when the song play, you gotta feel the same energy that come out through the speaker. Them, I murder, man.
I love it.
Man.
I love it.
Yeah, man,
I know
love
you
it,
say,
man.
boy, he always has a good time when he goes out. So
Man.
I'm here
Vibes.
for it. I'm here for it. Love it. I might just have to, go carnival this year. Here's the thing. There's something else happening in Jamaica, guys. Jamaicans are on the cusp of receiving electronic passports.
Chip.
As part of the transformation process taking place at the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, this forms part of the new National Public Keys Infrastructure PKI project, which was launched on Wednesday, January 15th at the Terra Nova All Suite Hotel in Kingston. Now, the PKI project will be rolled out during the next 7 months with the objective of making Jamaica a more digital society in which there is ubiquitous use of information and communications technology, the ICT, all spheres such as home, work, school, and recreation. It also forms part of the government's national identification system and will enable trusted electronic identities for people, services, and things, and also make it possible to implement strong authentication, data encryption, and digital signatures based on a certifying authority. Now, Minister of Science, Energy and Technology, Faber Williams, who spoke at the launch, said the project will be a game changer for Jamaicans. How do you feel about this, Craig?
Chips,
E-passport.
Chips, man.
Chip,
I don't know if I
chip,
said
chip,
here is our
chip,
chip
so
is our
God.
nices, our munchies, our but chips,
hey.
man. I don't know. I mean, let me tell you, I like the idea of being technologically forward, but at the same time, I mean, just last week, we have one whole heap of problems at the point of sale machine with my card, with my bank card. So if you don't got passport now, I don't want to have no problems with me or immigration. But
Yes, it's true.
Yeah,
and just
so
over the holidays as well.
I hope everything will happen smoothly and run smoothly, and everything will be taken into consideration before they decide to roll it out. I hope them do proper beta testing. I hope them deal with it right, because these things can potentially be a nightmare.
Yeah.
So I just hope all of these kinks are ironed out before them decide to roll it out. That's the only thing. I mean, it's cool. I mean, that's the way the world around. I mean, nowadays your money is on your phone. You carry money in your pocket. You just tap phone and things.